Hello, my name is Amit Kumar Chaurasia. Today I am going to talk about a few concepts about angles. Basic concept of angles. Basic concepts of angles. So the first definition of angles. Two different rays starting from the same fixed point form an angle. That means one fixed point, this is a ray, this one is a ray, makes an angle. Okay, this one is O, A, O, B. Okay, two different rays here, two different rays OA and OB. Both have same starting point O. Okay, two different rays starting from the same fixed point form an angle. Okay, in this picture OA is a ray, OB is a ray, O is the starting point or initial point. Okay, and they makes an angle. Now the next important point, interior of an angle. INTERIOR of interior of an angle. Suppose this is an angle. This is OA, this is OB, and this is an angle. Okay, this portion, if you extend this line up to this, and if you extend this line from this, so this is the shaded portion. The interior of an angle is a region that lies within an angle. Okay, within an angle, the shaded portion is called the interior angle. This portion is called interior angle. Okay, and the outer portion, not shaded portion, is called the exterior of an angle. Okay, this portion is called exterior, EXTERIOR, exterior of an angle. Okay, the exterior of an angle is a region that lies outside the angle. Okay, here the shaded portion is called the interior angle and the non-shaded portion is called the exterior angle. Now, angle formed by rotation. Angle formed by rotation. Here this is the ray OA. Okay, this is OA dash. Okay, initial position to its final position. This is initial, INITIAL, initial position, and this is final. This is OA, is the initial position, and OA dash is the final position. So here the ray is moving anti-clockwise. So consider a ray OA rotating about its end point O. End point is O. OA is a ray's original or initial position. This is original or initial, ORIGINAL, original or initial position. Okay, as OA rotates about the fixed point O, it attains several positions before it returns to its original position. At any particular moment, the position of ray OA, that means OA, shows above OA dash, is the term its final position. This is final position. It can be observed easily that the initial position OA and the final position OA dash formed an angle AOA. AOA dash angle. Okay. The angle becomes bigger and bigger as OA dash rotates till it coincides with its initial position OA. That means here, if you will move this angle, move this line segment or move this ray OA dash and move this OA dash to anti-clockwise direction till it reach its initial position, then after if you increase the rotation, the angle will rise. Okay, it was the angle formed by rotation. This is the basic idea about it. Okay, now we have few example of angles. Now, angle formed by rotation. So this angle is called, this is initial, this is INITIAL, initial position, this is final, this angle is called acute angle. Okay, this is called acute angle. So now this is called acute angle. The next picture is this. Okay, this is initial position and this is final position, and they make 90-degree angle. Okay, this is called right angle, RIGHT, right angle. The next thing is okay, this is initial position, this one is final position. Okay, this is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Here this angle, this is initial position and this is O A, this is A dash. So this one initial position, this is final position. OA is initial position, OA dash is final position. So it's called straight angle. Okay, now straight angle, then this is OA, this is OA dash. This angle is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay, this is initial position, this one is final position. Okay, now this is O, this is A, this is A dash. Okay, initial position, final position. Okay, this is also one kind of reflex angle. Now this O A and is equal to A dash. That means this OA dash lied on OA. Okay, it's called complete angle. Complete angle. So it was about few angles. Now I will repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here, this angle AOB is acute angle. This angle AOC is a right angle. Okay, here this angle AOD, this is called obtuse angle, and this angle, that means AOE. This angle is called straight angle. And this angle, that means AOF. This angle is called reflex angle. Now, the final one. This angle is called AOA dash, complete angle. Complete angle. So it was all about angle. Now measuring of angles. MEASURING, measuring of angles. Measuring of angle. So suppose this is OA and this is O. This is complete angle. Complete angle, that means this is 360 degree. Angle due to one complete rotation is also known as complete angle. This is complete angle. COMPLETE. This is complete angle. Now here is some concept. When the angle formed by one complete rotation of a ray is divided in 360 equal parts, each part is called 1 degree. Okay, 360 each part, each degree. Okay, each degree. If 1 degree is further divided into 60 equal parts, each part is called a minute, which is denoted by A dash. This one is 1 degree. Okay, and this is MINUTE. Now 1 double dash. This ACCOND. Okay. Now, if we further divide 1 minute into 60 equal parts, each part is called a second, which is denoted by A double dash. Okay. That means here a complete rotation. Here the important points are 1 complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. Okay, 1 degree is equal to 60 second, 1 second, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Here is a basic idea. Now five minutes 30 seconds. That means we can write 5 minutes 30 seconds like this. Okay, we can write 25 degrees 30 minutes 15 seconds is equal to 25 degree 30 minute 50 second. We can write like this, and we can also add these things. Suppose if we have 32 degree 23 minute 15 second, and now add with 49 degree 17 minute 32 seconds. We can add it. 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4, 6 second, 3 plus 7 10, 10. So 1 will go here, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. This is minute. Now 9 plus 2 11, 2 go here, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8. Now this is the addition is 81 degree 40 minute 47 seconds. So here is the example of the addition. The next important example of addition of degree, minute and second is 74 degree 35 minute 18 second, 9 degree 20 minute 53 second. Okay, add 8 plus 3 11, 1 will go here, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7 second. This 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 2 5, 55 minute, 9 plus 4 13, 1 will go here, 7 plus 1 8. So here 71 seconds are there. So 71 seconds means what? Is equal to 67 plus 11 second. 60 second plus 11 second. 60 second means 1 minute. We can write plus 11 second. We can write like this: 1 minute 11 second. Okay, that means we can move 1 minute 11 second to this, 1 minute 11 second to this portion. So what will happen after addition? 1 minute here, here 11 second will remain. So the answer would be 83 degree 51 plus 1 55 minute plus 1 56 minute and 11 second. Okay, this is 11 second. So from this concept we can solve these problems. Now I will discuss about types of angles. Okay, types of angles. types of angles. Suppose if this is 60 degree, that means this is acute angle. A-C-U-T-E, acute angle. This angle is 35 degree. This is also acute angle. If this one is 80 degree, this is also acute angle. So these are the types of acute angle. And right angle means they will make 90 degree. Okay, they will make 90 degree. It may be like this, it may be like this. Okay, it may be like this, but the angle would be 90 degree. So this is a right angle. This is an example of right angle. Two lines that form an angle of 90 degree are said to be perpendicular to each other. Okay, this is the concept. Two lines, here two lines are there. Two lines, OA and OB, two lines are there. Two lines, rays, it may be line segments that form an angle of 90 degree are said to be perpendicular to each other. Okay, now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is a very easy angle. More than 90 degree. More than 90. If it is 120 degree, this is also 120 degree. Some angles is 150 degree. So we can say it's an example of obtuse angle. An angle of more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Okay, if the angle is in between 90 to 180, then we can say it's an obtuse angle. Okay, now straight angle. Straight angle. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight angle. Sorry, OA and OB. And this angle is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. An angle of 180 degree is known as straight angle or straight line angle. Okay, the reflex angle is more than 180 and less than 360. The reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle. If an angle of more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Okay, this is an example of reflex angle. So this angle is reflex angle. This is also example of reflex angle. Okay, so now I have to make a note. Acute angle. A-C-U-T-E. Acute angle. Right angle. Obtuse angle. Straight angle. Reflex angle. Suppose angles that in definition of angles we have seen when two rays have one end point makes an angle. Okay, here that means we can say the angle is theta. Okay, for all the cases theta. for all the cases angles are theta. When the angle is between 0 to 90 degree, then we can say the angle is acute angle. But when the theta is 90 degree, we can say that is right angle. When the angle is between 90 degree to 180 degree, we can say it's a obtuse angle. But when the angle is 180 degree, we can say it's a straight angle. And when the angle is between 180 degree and 360 degree, okay, then we can say it's a reflex angle. And here this is an example of greater than. That means if this portion, so here is the bigger one and this portion would be smaller one, okay. So it was about types of angle. And now some important results, some very important result. Okay, if I have angles like this, O, A, B, C, D, okay. If this angle is theta 1, this angle is theta 2, this angle is theta 3, this angle is theta 4, that means what would the sum of the angles around a point is always 360 degree. This is a very important point. The sum of the angles around a point is always 360. That means what? AOB plus BOC plus COD plus DOA. Here 4 angles are there. All the sum of the angles is 360 degree. That means what? Theta 1, this angle, plus theta 2, this angle, plus theta 3, that means this angle, plus theta 4, that means this angle, is equal to 360 degree. Okay, this is a very important point. Now the concept of adjacent angle, that one is also very important. ADJCNT, adjacent angle. OA BC. O is a point, is called common vertex. Common vertex, VERTEX, and this is called common arm. Common arm. So OB is the common arm and O is the vertex. Here two angles are said to be adjacent angle if they have their vertices at the same point, they have a common vertex, they have one common arm, and the other arms of the angles are on the opposite sides of the common arm. Here angles, okay. Now two angles are there. This one is called theta 1 and this one is called theta 2, okay. Now here one vertex is there, that is called vertex O, okay. And here the relation of theta 1 and theta 2 is what? Theta 1 is called AOB and this one is BOC. Two angles are there. In between two angles, one common arm is there. Common arm is OB. Okay, common arm. Here is common arm OB. That means this is a common arm. Okay, so now we can say theta 1 and theta 2, they are adjacent angle because they have one common vertex, one common arm, and beside this common arm, two angles are there, so they are adjacent to each other. Okay, so it was about adjacent angle. So I will draw a picture. If this is 20 degree and this is 30 degree, so this O A B C, so here AOB, this portion, and BOC, this one is 20 degree and this one is 30 degree. These two angles are adjacent angle. Okay, suppose if I have this picture, if they are making some angle theta 1 and this they are making theta 2, so these two angles are adjacent angle. Okay, if they are making some angle, if this is 30 and this is 60, so these two angles are adjacent angle. So it was all about adjacent angle. So very simple thing. Now the very important thing, where vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, these two angles are there. This is O A B C D. Vertically opposite angles. When two straight lines intersect, the angles on the opposite sides of their point of intersection are called vertically opposite angle. Here AB line intersect with CD line, so they have this vertically opposite angle, means AOC angle is equal to BOD angle. They are equal and they are called vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, and here some different example. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so this is the example of vertically opposite angle. That means if this is 96 degree, it would be 96 degree. Okay, if this is theta, it would be theta. So it's the concept of vertically opposite angle. Now congruent angle. Congruent angle. CONGRUENT. Congruent angle. Angles having the same measure are said to be congruent. That means this angle, if this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree, okay, so we can say these two angles are congruent. Angles having the same measure or value are said to be congruent angles. Okay, it is example of congruent angle. Now I am going to solve a simple math. Okay, this is a straight angle and this is a line. This is O, this is B, this is A, this is C. Okay, and this angle is 75 degree this angle is x plus 10 degree. Find this angle. How I can solve? I know angle BOA is equal to straight angle STRAIGHT, straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Now BOC plus COA is equal to 180 degree. That means 75 degree plus this angle x plus 10 degree is equal to 180 degree. So move to this side. X plus 10 is equal to 180 minus 75. Okay. X is equal to 180 minus 75 minus 10. What would happen? 180 minus 70 minus 10, that means minus 85. What would happen? It would be 95. The answer would be 95. If I know x, the value of x is equal to 95, that means x plus 10 is equal to 95 plus 10 degree, that means 105 degree. So this angle would be 105 degree. Okay. So this is a very easy way to find the angles. Now the next math, the next very important math here. I have a picture here. This angle is unknown. This is x. This one is 50. This one is also x. This one is also x. And this one is 70. Here I will apply the complete angle concept. This point is called O, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now complete angle concept I will apply. AOB plus BOC plus COD plus DOE plus E 360 degree. Okay. Now that means this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 360 degree. Now what will happen? X plus 50 degree plus x plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. Here x plus 50 plus x plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. So x plus x plus x, that means 3x plus 70 plus 50, 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now this is called 360 minus 120. 360 minus 120, 240. Okay, 240. So x is equal to 240 by 3, that means 80. So x is equal to 80 degree. Now this angle is 80 degree, this angle is 80 degree, this angle is 80 degree, and this is also known 70 degree. So by this process we can find out. So here complete angle concept we have to apply. COMPLETE, complete angle, that is 360 degree. Okay, around the clock this is 360 degree. We have to apply this concept. So this is all about my this video. Thank you.